Yeah.
Bafethu ulungelo comedy igama lami bafethu ngisele-spray sisempumalanga hlangane norasta lana guys.
One and only Rasta.
Yeah, it's an honor to meet you. Abantu behlezi bekhombisa umsebenzi wami nowakho bethi I'm an artist as well. Yeah. It's fine. It's an honor for me to meet you. I'm like, guys, finally I meet Rasta. Oh, you're an artist.
I'm also an artist.
Oh, wow.
I'm a makeup artist.
But as long as you paint those faces.
It's an honor to meet you.
Kami pala TV Rasta by Chicken Licky. How come you should Yo. This guy was with him as well. I've seen this guy.
Man, I'm also in it.
Shy Tommy, man, Shy Tommy.